Now I will explain the background of our product. Our product name is Pre-Program Chef. Pre-Program Chef is a new digital technology application of food and beverage. Help to upgrade food and beverage service and also help to minimize human interaction. A pre-program machine that could fulfill the human role in service customer. The pre-program chef is a very unique and rarely used in Malaysia. This uniqueness will invite netizens to come and try the technology for themselves. Problem statement. In the era of the COVID-19 pandemic, many food industries such as restaurants were forced to close. This causes a lot of losses, the acute threat. Therefore, this program helped to reduce human contact, thus reducing COVID-19 cases. Next, limited manpower. Food processing will be faster and more orderly if using machine compared to relatively limited manpower. This machine use will help business produce more product than manpower can do. Last but not least, save on the cost of training new employee. This pre-program chef will help to save employer time and cost to train new employee. This is because almost 100% of the work in kitchen is done by the machine. Only a few workers are needed to control the machine and the cashier at the front. Such work does not require as long to be trained as work in the kitchen.
For the objective of the e-program robot, first can make it easier for the chef to prepare food to the customer. Second, can reduce the contact of customers and employees on the process of providing food and beverages to customers so that we can reduce the spread of COVID-19 virus. Lastly, improving the industry by using robots as materials for sales activities. During COVID-19, sales activity is relatively slow, so we want the food and beverages industry to still be able to run their business despite having to limit contact with customers.
My name is Nur Fatin Nabila binti Muhammad Fazli. I will present about the methodology of our product. First method, we conduct a survey to know the marketability of the product and the industry whether the product produced will be used or bought by them. The survey consisted of 7 multiple choice questions. The aim was to conduct the survey with 50 customers of big restaurant and 5-star hotel via online Google Form in 2 weeks. Participants were given 5 minutes to fill in the survey. Next, second method, we conduct an interview in order to gain a better insight into the possibility for improvement of the product range. Semi-structured interview were conducted with 8 customers from the main target group of big restaurant and 5-star hotel. Interviews were conducted by phone call and lasted approximately 10 minutes each. Answers were recorded by note-taking. That's all. Thank you.
So the findings that we got from this project is we could minimize labor costs because everything will be focusing on automatic system. So the cost for the labor will be really low. And then we could minimize wastage because it is a pre-programmed system. So the error that could possibly be made is really low. And then it could become more convenience for some people who prefer to interact with automatic machines rather than actual people to avoid miscommunication. So the contribution to the society is we could minimize all the direct contact with person during COVID season, and then it could minimize pollution because we minimize all the wastage, and it can also be convenience to people because it minimize all the problem that may occur when we interact with people.
Hi, my name is Wendy Naragai. This is our pre-programmed chef. This project that focuses on building and adapting to an automatic culture. Pre-programmed chef allow to save time, where the machine designed to program that is capable of acting as a chef and preparing food to serve. All preparation will be automatically prepared by a pre-programmed system, so it can retrieve the ingredients from the device that have been setting up. The machine, for example, will be programmed to detail the task of a chef or food and beverage personnel, such as taking customers' orders, cooking the foods, pack prepared foods, and serve complete food to the customers. The marinations and temperature will be preset, so every order will have the same result.